Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving on Constant Spring Road, heading towards Halfway Tree. On the right is a CVM building or CVM broadcast from. On the right, where you see that big burrito sign, that is Marketplace. A lot of restaurants are over there. Okay, at this intersection on the left is West Kings House Road, but we're going straight and continuing on Constant Spring Road. On the left is Brian's Plaza. Constant Spring Road has a lot of plazas. It has more plazas than any other road in Jamaica. The more popular plazas are probably Mall Plaza, Tropical Plaza, Twin Gates Plaza. On the left is Lane Plaza. On the right is Courts. Everybody knows Courts is the furniture store. Then on the left is Village. On the right is Twin Gates. Actually, we can drive through. Oh no, I can't make it over. We're going to drive through the more popular plazas. Like this is Tropical Plaza, so we'll take a drive through it. It's a Sunday, so that's why all of these stores are closed and the plaza looks like this. But during the week, it's very packed up. We'd be curious to know what the rent is like for in a plaza like this. This is a very popular plaza. If anybody knows, they can leave it in the comment section. I would guess, just a guess, it would be at least 500,000 a month, maybe more. But if anybody knows, it would be good if you could leave it in the comment section. Okay, straight ahead is Springs Plaza. That's another popular plaza. Of course, anywhere you see that KFC sign, you know it's a very popular plaza. Okay, we're going to head towards Mall Plaza now. And if you notice, all the stores in Tropical Plaza are occupied. There are no empty stores, no taped up stores. Okay, so this is Mall Plaza. Time you see these taxi men, you just have to let them go because they have their own set of road code for the roads. Woolworth is on the left. Woolworth has been here for years. When I was going to prep school, I used to go to Woolworth to get my school supplies. So that's probably about 20 years ago. And as you can see with this plaza also, all the stores are occupied. Straight in front, that building is a passport office. They have a fancy name for it, but it's known as the passport office. Okay, we're going to go through one more plaza. We're going to go over to Village Plaza now. On the right is Wendy's. Actually, look at, they're doing some construction in this plaza. Okay, they're putting on more stores at the top. We're going to take a look at that now. So this is a Village Plaza. Looks like they're expanding. If anybody knows what the rent is for these plazas, it would be good to know. You can leave it in the comment section below. Okay, there seems to be a Chinese restaurant in this plaza. Or a few restaurants, that's why it has a lot more activity today, which is a Sunday. Okay, straight ahead is the Courts. I should say Courts store, and then right in front of us now is where you see the Island Grill. That's Twin Gates Plaza, another very popular plaza. In Jamaica, most plazas around the world, you have supermarkets in the plaza, and that is what brings in the crowd. But if you notice, Village, Mall and Tropical Plaza, they don't have any supermarkets in them, and they do extremely well. It's basically, I guess, the location. They're within walking distance or halfway tree. Now, halfway tree is the busiest place in Jamaica during the week. Up to 250,000 people a day pass through halfway tree. So naturally, any store or business close to halfway tree is going to have a lot of traffic. Straight ahead, those arches is the halfway tree transport center. It's the nicest bus park in Jamaica, but it's also the most used. I don't think we're allowed to drive in there, but you can see it on the right. So this is the heart of halfway tree now. Straight ahead is the halfway tree clock. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.